Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to show you a video that I recorded of a car that they brought us. This car had a problem with a windshield wiper motor, which broke down. The owner of the car, he brought it and we told him after checking it that he had to change the windshield wiper motor, instead of paying attention to us. What he did was buy a complete second-hand windshield wiper and also installed it himself. Look, the shaft is bad, it has a lot of play. This part is defective and cannot be installed in the car. The problem is that he bought it more than a month ago and only had 15 days of warranty. Now it no longer has warranty, and on top of that he threw his car away. When buying this other one, the only thing that was wrong was the engine, but the rest was in good condition. In the end, the cheap was expensive. The only thing he had to do was change the engine of his and put a new and fixed engine. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.